Hello, and welcome to our video about hummingbirds. These tiny birds are some of the most fascinating creatures in the animal kingdom, and we can't wait to share some of the most interesting facts about them with you. From their incredible flight abilities to their unique feeding habits and behaviors, hummingbirds are truly a marvel of nature. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you ever wanted to know about these amazing little birds. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings. Some species can flap their wings up to 80 times per second. Hummingbirds have a very high metabolism and need to eat frequently to fuel their energetic lifestyle. They typically feed on nectar from flowers, as well as insects and spiders. Hummingbirds are known for their bright, iridescent feathers, which can appear to change color depending on the angle of the light. The brilliant hues are created by the way light reflects off of the tiny structures in the feathers. They are found only in the Americas, from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, making them one of the largest bird families. Hummingbirds play a very important role in nature and are considered to be key pollinators of many plant species. As they feed on nectar from flowers, they inadvertently transfer pollen from one flower to another, helping to fertilize plants and allowing them to produce seeds and fruit. In fact, some plant species have evolved specifically to attract hummingbirds, with bright, tubular flowers that are perfectly adapted to their feeding style. Aside from their pollination role, hummingbirds are also an important source of food for many other animals, including insects, spiders, and larger birds of prey. They are an integral part of many ecosystems and help to maintain the delicate balance of nature by providing an important link in the food chain. Furthermore, hummingbirds have also been studied for their unique physiological adaptations, such as their ability to slow down their metabolism at night to conserve energy, and their high oxygen intake, which allows them to maintain high levels of activity. Their incredible flight abilities and specialized feeding habits make them a unique and important part of many ecosystems, and their conservation is crucial for the health and balance of these ecosystems. Hummingbirds have a remarkable memory and can remember every flower they have visited, how long it takes for each flower to refill with nectar, and the route between flowers in their territory. This allows them to maximize their feeding efficiency and defend their food sources. Here are some interesting facts about hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards and hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings. They can even fly upside down. There are over 300 species of hummingbirds, making them one of the largest bird families in the world. Hummingbirds have an incredibly high metabolism and need to eat frequently to fuel their energetic lifestyle. They typically feed on nectar from flowers, as well as insects and spiders. Hummingbirds have a remarkable memory and can remember every flower they have visited, how long it takes for each flower to refill with nectar, and the route between flowers in their territory. Hummingbirds have an impressive wingspan to body weight ratio, with some species having a wingspan of up to 7 inches but weighing only a few grams. The bright, iridescent feathers of hummingbirds are created by the way light reflects off of tiny structures in the feathers, which gives them their brilliant colors. Hummingbirds are found only in the Americas, from Alaska to Tierra del Fuego, and are an important part of many ecosystems. During breeding season, male hummingbirds perform elaborate courtship displays to attract females, which can include aerial acrobatics and high-speed dives. Hummingbirds have a unique respiratory system that allows them to extract oxygen more efficiently than other birds, which helps them to sustain their high levels of activity. Finally, hummingbirds face many challenges in the wild, including habitat loss, climate change, and pollution. Efforts to protect hummingbird habitat and raise awareness of their importance in ecosystems are crucial to their survival. And that's a wrap on our video about hummingbirds. We hope you learned something new and interesting about these incredible creatures. Whether you're a bird enthusiast or just a curious learner, there's no denying that hummingbirds are some of the most unique and impressive animals in the world. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.